Good morning, everyone. Looking to the big audience today, I think we can say that the Heesen press conference has become the traditional kickoff of the Monaco Yacht Show. My name is Niels Vase. I've been a CEO at Heesen since last November, and today I'm here to update you on the latest developments at Heesen. The sails in the size 40 to 80 meters, which is the size where Heesen operates in, are stable. This year, until August, 45 yachts are sold in the segment between 40 and 80 meters, which is a little bit higher than last year when 42 yachts were sold in that segment. At Heesen, we remain very optimistic about the future. We expect an all-time revenue record this year of 230 million euros. All our sheds are fully occupied, and in total we have 12 yachts under construction. Our deliveries expand until 2027, which puts us in a very comfortable position. We keep investing in innovation and technology, and we continually invest in research and development to improve the performance of our yachts. As an industry, we are committed to reducing our environmental impact. At Heesen, we have a sustainability program called Blue Nautech, which I'm sure you will remember from last year. All our yachts can be built with hybrid propulsion. And a great example of this is Cinderella Noel 4, a smart custom yacht that has been delivered this year. Last week, she was awarded in Cannes as the best semi-custom yacht of this year. Who are the people who build these yachts? These people are the secret of our resilience. Heesen is at the heart of the city of Oz, and we invest heavily in our people. I'm very proud that so many people at Heesen have been with us for so long time, often for decades, and sometimes even span entire generations. We have multiple fathers and sons working together side by side in the shipyard. Last but not least, we continue to invest in designing the yachts of the future. An excellent example of this is Heesen's newest design, which will be introduced to you by Mark and Peter in a minute.
2023 and 2024 have proved to be the most interesting years in Heesen's history. Most of you are used to us delivering our superb series yachts and one or so full custom yachts every year. But in 2023 and 2024, we literally pushed the boat out. It all started with the 60-meter full custom Lucine, which was shown here at the show. This was swiftly followed by our flagship, the incomparable 80-meter Genesis, all aluminium with a top speed of nearly 30 knots. Just remember these numbers, 80 meters and 30 knots. A striking exterior by Winch Design and a magnificent interior by Sino. Next came the rocket ship Ultra G, with an official top speed of 36 knots, although some say she actually hit 40 knots. She has a striking exterior by Omega and a gorgeous interior by Harrison Isgard. Then came the more sedate 67-meter steel Sparta. What she lacks in speed, she amply made up for in sheer design appeal. Just have a look at the gorgeous interior and exterior by Winch. Enough of the past, let's now talk about the future. This is where I need you all to concentrate because this is something of a scoop, a world exclusive. With our very good friends Harrison Isgard, we have developed a new 62-meter steel displacement long-range cruising yacht, and to say she is gorgeous is something of an understatement. With Monte Carlo, we wanted to create something new, a yacht timeless in its design, which embodies the elegance of the Mediterranean Riviera. At 62 meters in length and 11.5 meters beam, Monte Carlo has a gross tonnage of 1,340 tons. She accommodates 12 guests in 6 sumptuous suites and 15 crew in 8 cabins.
Well, we want to create a very simple profile. So we've given it these chamfer lines that run from the bow and all the way back on all 3 of the superstructures. And then we have an undercut at the back, which is creating the signature, but also gives it a light look. Because this boat is all about the glass. You can see we don't have fashion plates. It's all windows. It's connection with the nature. When we go through the GA now, you will see how open it is with the glass surrounding the whole interior. Yeah, we moved the guest cabins up to the main deck and the master cabin up to the next deck above, which gives you a great view forward. So you have your whole penthouse master suite at the front, if you like.
Thank you. I think that's a great initial explanation and some early views of what Project Monte Carlo will look like. Now, before we go for a much-deserved breakfast, I have to tell you that this, of course, is going to be my last Heesen press conference and most probably actually my last boat show. Thank you and have a great show.